There's our tour guide, Joe.
You can think, if you go back to like James the First, yeah, so James the First would have been in here like late 1500s. First of all, he planted a lot of mulberry trees, but these are London plane trees. The main residents here are the Grenadiers, the Coldstream and the Scots. But any of the ones who are doing guarding duties will stay here. The Guards Chapel up here is a lovely chapel where Harry and William, 10 years after their mother's death, had a ceremonial memorial service in there.
This was Wellington Barracks. Walk the Diana.
The Diana, Princess of Wales.
Princess of Wales Memorial. Here comes the rain. Buckingham Palace again. That's the horse. Yeah. That's where the horse guards are.
James's Palace. So this is the official palace in London. Everything must go through here really. It's the office, the court, as where Buckingham Palace is more of the residence.
Bit rainy now, so we're going to stay under this canopy of trees. The rain's not very fun, but tour's kind of fun. Our guide is got a lot of good jokes. He does have a lot of good jokes.
That's actually we raised out. Yeah, they don't show it on Google Maps. It's an underground bunker called the Citadel, yeah, put there for the Second World War.
Oh yeah, it's the smallest, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And it is a workable police station. It's got, like it says, it's only enough for about one officer in there. It is a functioning police station. That's a madness, isn't it? Yeah. Let's try and go a bit drier. Shall we? Let's get underneath something.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's raining a little heavy, so we're gonna go down to the underground. Woo. Right back there is the smallest police station in the world. You can fit one person in there, one bubby.
Geographical points from here. So everything.
This is the exact point of the center of London.
Number, you know, like they say number 3 Northumberland Avenue, the lowest numbers will be towards this point, and 100 would be away.
So back there was Trafalgar Square that had the little police station, and it has the gallery. It's like a free museum back there with the 4 lions for Ireland, Scotland, England, and Wales. Now it's still raining, so we're going straight that way.
Scotland Yard because of the Scottish kings. When they used to come over, they would stay there. Any Harry Potter fans, at the end of here, this building, at the end of the building was the Ministry of Magic. No? The Ministry of
A
Magic.
little Ministry of Magic from Harry Potter down that street.
Us fellas, we do anything wrong, we normally buy our flowers for our wives or chocolates. King Henry VIII builds a palace for Anne Boleyn, right?